Sorry guys, I'm making. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me here, obviously, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get more fame. So yeah, so what you would need for this is a backup, which is this backup. So yeah, so what you're gonna do is you have to get like an item, probably try to get something expensive. Like if you got the trip top and the trip cap, you can use that because that'll give you a lot of fame, but try to get something expensive. So once you do, you're gonna send, you can either draw on your main or your backup. I'm gonna draw my backup first, and you're gonna give the gift to your main. Wait, I think my main actually got it, sorry guys. So, go on your backup and press gift. Oh yeah guys, you will have to be over level 6 to, do that. Here it is. I always do this. So you're going to give the gift to your backup. And you're going to go in your backup and look at the gift you got. So this is where the fame is going to happen. You're going to press on this and then press on OK. And as soon as you press on OK, quickly press this VIP and your fame should go up. So look at my fame right here. Okay. See? And it moved. So you just repeat that. Obviously I'm not going to level up straight away, but I'm trying to level up on my main. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing, but your backup is going to send it to your main now. So you're going to get it. By the way guys, for Christmas, not Christmas, for my birthday, it was this Friday, I got like a new headphones. This is why it sounds a bit clear, which is good. I'm eating a bacon roll, that's why I sound a bit, So here we go. You're gonna press OK, you're gonna press on the VIP. Moved up again. So you're just gonna keep repeating that and repeating that. So yeah, that's totally it guys. All you have to do is just repeat it until what level you want to get to. It does take some time just to level up and stuff, but it does work. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please smash that like button and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.